Hey ladies, we have something super special for you today, starting off with these easy everyday hairstyles. Create a ponytail and then add a cute twist. The perfect fit for an elegant event as well. Check this one out. It's a half up, half down hairstyle. Nope, it's about to turn into completely something else. Love it! How excited are you for this next hairstyle? Looks like a braid, but it's definitely not one. Oh wow! It looks absolutely beautiful! Time to wrap it up. We've reached the last seconds. So beautiful!